time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain. Ooh, 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 and if you keep falling down, don't you dare give up. You will arise safe and sound. So keep facing one step fast, and you'll find what you need to prevail. What you say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to live. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith, and I live one more day, and I'll make it through the pain. And when the wind blows and sail through the woods, don't you be afraid. There's nothing you can't face, and soon they tell you you'll never move through. Don't hesitate. Stand up and say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to stand. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith, and I live for one more day, and I make it through the rain. I can make it through the rain, and sail on Sunday, and I live my day and night. I can make it through the rain.